Hello, my friend. I'm Jack, and today I want to help you grow something very important: your English speaking skills. Not just words, not memorizing, not textbook conversations, but real, living, confident English speaking. Speaking English is not magic, it is not talent, and it is not something only some people can do. Speaking English is a skill, and like any skill, it grows with gentle practice, clear guidance, and daily steps. Today, we're going to do exactly that. You will practice speaking with me, shadowing my voice, feeling the rhythm of English, and building confidence with every sound you make. Take a soft breath, relax your shoulders, let your mind slow down. Your speaking journey begins now. Repeat softly. I want to improve my speaking skills. Pause. I can improve with practice. Pause. I am learning to speak confidently. Pause. I trust my English voice. Good. One of the biggest secrets to improving speaking skills is learning to speak slowly and clearly. Many learners try to speak fast because they believe speed means fluency. But speed without clarity creates fear, tension, and mistakes. Fluency begins with calm, slow, controlled speaking. Shadow with me. I can speak slowly and confidently. I don't rush. My words come out naturally. I am in control of my voice. Good. Now let's train pronunciation flow, the smooth movement between English sounds. Shadow this. I want to speak more naturally. Now, natural. I want to speak more naturally. Again. I want to speak more naturally. Your mouth is learning the shape of English. Next. I am practicing my English every day. Natural. I'm practicing my English every day. Shadow. I'm practicing my English every day. Good. The next step to improving speaking skills is using real-life phrases, the ones you will actually say in conversations. Shadow with me. Hi, nice to meet you. How have you been? I'm learning English right now. I'm trying to speak more fluently. I want to improve my communication. Good. Now let's add emotional speaking, the way English expresses feelings. Shadow. That sounds amazing. Oh, really? Tell me more. I didn't know that. Wow, that's interesting. I totally understand. These simple reactions make your speaking more alive. Another key to improving speaking is practicing connected speech, how real English blends words together. Shadow these. I don't know. To, I don't know. Let me see. To, let me see. Give me that. To, gimme that. I want to go. To, I want to go. Did you eat? To, did you eat? These are real, everyday sounds. Learning them makes you understand and speak more naturally. Now let's practice longer speaking lines. Shadow slowly. I feel more confident when I practice regularly. Now, natural. I feel more confident when I practice regularly. Shadow softly. Good. Next. I'm not perfect, but I'm improving every day. Natural. I'm not perfect, but I'm improving every day. Shadow. I'm improving every day. Now let's practice speech building, where you grow your sentence step by step. Shadow. I'm learning English. I'm learning English every day. I'm learning English every day and getting better. I'm learning English every day and my confidence is growing. I'm learning English every day and I feel proud of my progress. Beautiful. Now let's do a short story shadowing. This helps your brain connect ideas and speak longer. Shadow with me. This morning, I practiced speaking for a few minutes. I tried to speak calmly and clearly. At first, it was uncomfortable, but I didn't stop. I kept speaking, and slowly, my voice felt stronger. Day by day, speaking becomes easier for me. Good. Now, confidence lines. These shape your mindset and your speaking power. Shadow. My English speaking skills are improving. I can communicate clearly. I don't need perfect English to speak well. I express myself confidently. My voice matters. My English voice is growing stronger. Take a deep breath. You are improving your speaking skills right now. Your pronunciation is getting smoother. Your confidence is rising. Your rhythm is becoming natural. Your voice is learning English. Shadow these final lines. I am a speaker of English. I am growing. I am improving. I am becoming fluent. I believe in myself. You did amazing today. Thank you for practicing with me. I'm Jack, and I'll see you in the next calm speaking session inside Shadowing English Room.